Greetings, my good people. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on wherever you're watching me from. My good names are Maclean Luvandwa Ashona from Kenya, East Africa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make mandazis, cinnamon mandazi. So with me here I have my baking powder, I have my lemon, I have my 2 eggs, I have milk, and I have my flour. And also here I still have margarine, I have my cinnamon, and of course sugar. Let's make mandazi. I have my flour, I have my baking powder. I'll add my baking powder. Guys, this is cinnamon mandazi. Last time we did bake ginger mandazi. Today we are doing cinnamon mandazi. So this is baking powder. Baking powder. My cinnamon. Sugar. Just a little bit. I'll add my margarine. Just a little bit also. I'll add my 2 eggs. I don't use a lot of eggs because of the smell of the eggs. So I prefer using only two eggs. Then I'll grate my lemon crust or zest. This is not working. At least this side. Yeah, at least it's working. I just mix everything. So I'll add my milk before I start to stir. I'll mix everything until it's very well mixed. I'll start mixing using the spoon. Then I'll continue gradually using my hand, which is very clean, as I add my milk so that it becomes to the taste that I want. I've started to mix using my hand. I'm using my hand now. So I'll remove here. Need it from here.
In the village where the waters flow, underneath the sun's warm glow, by the shores of Lake Victoria's grace, nature's beauty, a peaceful place. Whispers of the breeze through the trees, dancing leaves, a sweet symphony. Children laughing, playing in the sand. Life is simple, oh so grand.
Every moment feels like a dream. In this paradise we share a theme. With every heartbeat the world is still.
Nature's rhythm, it gives me a thrill. Oh, the lake reflects our souls. In this village we are home, with the stars above shining bright. Together we find our light.
Cover it for a few minutes because
By the water we sing our song. In this place we all belong. With the waves we sway along. In harmony we grow. Sunrise paints the sky with gold. Stories of the village unfold. Fishermen casting nets with hope. In this beauty we learn to cope. The moonlight dances on the shore, guiding us to love and more.
then I come and start.
In the stillness we find our way. In this village we choose to stay. From the hills to the lake we rise. With our dreams we touch the skies. In the heart of Bondo we thrive. This rural life keeps us alive. Oh, the lake reflects our soul. In this village we are home, with the stars above shining bright. Together we find our light.
My oil is ready. Time to start cooking. Cooking now, my mandazi. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking my videos. I owe you a lot, and I appreciate you guys for being here with me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, I have to end my video. I'll see you on the next vlog. And also remember to subscribe if you are passing by for the first time. Subscribe, like my video, share, comment, guys, so that we move on the watch hours. Thank you so much. See you on the next vlog. Bye.